So today we're going to be doing some sauerkraut because it's fermented and we're friendly fermentables. Um, Using fermentation to pickle sort of is definitely helpful. Basically you're using a natural bacteria in a culture to preserve something. So I've had this sitting in a bucket and I tossed it in about quarter cup of just regular table salt, and you can actually see how much liquid it's pulled out, and this is the brine that's going to preserve our cabbage into sauerkraut. So that was one head of cabbage and it was a little over a quarter cup. So if you just fill up a jar just with that and make sure that it is covered in liquid, you will get just straight sauerkraut. Now I wanted to do something a little different. So what I've done is taken about half of a good sized red onion and just a little bunch of basil, and we're going to be layering that throughout, and hopefully it tastes pretty good, but we will see. So we will come back when this is full and seal it up and go from there. So that is just about one whole cabbage, and we've just done a few layers of the red onion and basil, and you can see what's left of, that was a whole cabbage, so that's what's left. And we're going to make sure we get all that brine in there. And I've packed that down pretty good. Oh yeah, there's a bunch left in there. Want to make sure that it is covered by the liquid, or you could get mold, and obviously that's bad. Just to top it up with some salt water, just to help get everything along. So that's covered. Make sure, press it down. Now I have read that if you start getting floaters, you can put something in there, like a small glass or a small jar, but we'll leave it as is for now. And we're just going to cover it with coffee filter for a few days and an elastic so that it can breathe. I'll leave that on the counter and see how it comes out. So yeah, so for all my subs, we hit 53 today. Thanks guys. Make sure to share it with your friends because we're doing some cool stuff over here, and when this is done I'll be bringing some into work for all my supporters there.